Hi sweeties! We're getting into this honey butter fried chicken recipe today, but before we get started, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes just like this one. Look at the drizzle. Honey butter fried chicken. Let's get into it. The key to delicious fried chicken is in the seasoning. Go grab the recipe for my seasoned salt. A link to the recipe is in the description box. Evenly coat your chicken with seasoning and let it marinate overnight or a full day for best flavor. We're going to add a little hot sauce, and that's going to bring some heat to balance the sweetness of the honey, and it's also going to help our flour cling to our chicken to make a nice crust. I'm adding the flour to a large 2-gallon zip top bag to give us lots of room to shake. And please season that flour. You have to season your flour for delicious chicken. Now we're going to shake that chicken in our seasoned flour. Only add as much chicken as you're going to fry at that time. You're going to work in smaller batches because you don't want to overcrowd your pan when you're cooking. Shake it up thoroughly so that chicken is evenly coated. Let's get to frying. I'm using a large cast iron pot. That's my favorite thing to make fried chicken in. Check that sizzle. You can use an electric fryer. I'll put a link to one of those in the description box as well. While our chicken is cooking, we're going to start on our honey butter glaze. Use a pot larger than you think you're going to need because that honey, once it gets to simmering, will bubble up. Turn the heat off and then add your butter into it and whisk it constantly so that you make an emulsion. Click on the recipe. It's in the description box and it has the full step-by-step so you'll know exactly what to do. Our chicken is done now. We're going to drain it on a wire rack. Remember, you're cooking in batches, so you can park this in a 200-degree oven while you fry the rest of your chicken. And when that chicken is ready, I'm going to drizzle the honey butter glaze over it. The glaze gets thicker as it cools, so it's nice and thick now as we drizzle it over our chicken. I served it with pickled jalapenos. I'll share that recipe with you as soon as possible. I'll get another video up for that. Some sliced fresh peaches because we are in Georgia. Absolutely delicious. Please subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Get more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much, sweeties, and have a delicious day.